Twee Gebroeders is a delightfully charming Dutch sailing barge, moored on the River Deben at the Tidemill in Woodbridge. This historic barge was built in 1897 and offers the perfect romantic getaway. The main saloon offers a quaint living dining area that features a fully fitted galley kitchen with handcrafted Iroko units, topped with a granite work surface, a lovely cast iron oil-fired range cooker that also supplies heating and hot water, and a flat screen TV, DVD and CD player. Guests are made to feel right at home with tea, coffee, bedding and laundry all included, as well as a fabulous Suffolk breakfast basket with bread and butter, eggs, bacon, mushrooms and tomatoes. From the main saloon, a corridor leads down the barge to the first cabin that features twin beds, which are suitable for adults or children, with plenty of storage space and a TV and DVD player. The luxurious shower room has a full-size corner shower cubicle with sliding doors and features handmade tiles that are Dutch Delft in design and were painted to reflect Suffolk's most famous bird, the avocet. There's also a normal domestic toilet, wash basin and heated mirror. At the end of the corridor is a beautiful double cabin with several portholes offering plenty of natural light, as well as built-in storage space, dressing table and a flat screen TV. Outside there is a lovely open cockpit with teak seating. The perfect place to relax and enjoy views of the river and the Tidemill over a nice glass of wine and watch the sunset.